Hello friend, in this video I will be showing you about the React routing. I told in my last video that I want to make an application where the React router would be there. The problem which I was facing was initially as I said that I took hosting, and this is my domain name. Now what I wanted right from the very beginning is I wanted to create multiple React application that will be deployed in my hosting space, and there where I was struck for a good amount of day. I I tried different way out, and eventually I saw that subdomain can be one approach, but I didn't prefer to go for subdomain because many features are there where subdomain may not work smoothly. Okay, and I wanted to work on my real root domain. So this is my real domain, this is my root domain, and as you can see over HTTP is there, and this is something what I wanted to ensure right from the very beginning, that whatever I will work on SSL, that is 443. I want to use the port number 443 rather than port number 80. And in my last video I showed you that I created this application, I created this route which was one of the React applications. So this is one React application, that means this is my base route and this is my sub route. So this is my base route and this is the sub route which you are working. And in the sub route I have implemented embedded one React application. And I said in my last video I want to go for another React application that would have a routing involved, and that's what this video is all about. So this time I have come up across another sub path. I will keep the base route as it is, and I will now go for another sub path, and that is called router 1. This is another React application, and this is exactly what I have been trying for the last few days. It was really tiring for me because I couldn't figure out how to do this, honestly speaking. But finally today I have been able to do it, and as you can see over here I have my root route. This is a base route, and on that I'm running a React application. This is another React application. Previously you saw the other, this was another one. So I'm running a multiple React application right now, and that is all working on the secure layer SSL. Okay, so here you can see there are three different components are there. As we know, the React works on the functional component. So this is my home component, so that's the reason this is my sub path, or you can say a subdirectory. I've created a subdirectory in my base route, and this is the root of that of this particular React application. And once I'm in the root, I'm able to see the home component. Now let's click on the input. This is another component in the same React application. As you can see over, the route got changed, and this is how the application is working, and this is exactly what I was trying for the last few days. And here I can take my input, so let me write my name over here. Okay, and as I click on submit button, yes, use state is also working in this particular component. And here I have got another component, and about us. So as you can see over here, three different component is working simultaneously in this React application, and this is my React project, you can say. So I've just given an arbitrary project because I have a plan to come up with another React application where there will be like a query string will be there, a params will be there. That's what I will be showing in my next video. Okay, as you can see over here, I'm just switching between components. That is really good. This is also need to be done. So over here I'm working on the browser router. Well, I'm not talking much about the React code right now because my entire emphasis was on the part of deployment part. Because you know what I have realized, that we developers, we do our project, but at the end of the day it is the system guys who knows how to deploy the project, how to go for the integration in the real server. And honestly speaking, I was lagging behind this. But fortunately now I have started working on this, and see, there is nothing wrong to go for honest confession because that's how we eventually will learn, isn't it? So in my coming days I will be working, as I said, that I will be working on the full stack, where I will be having the backend with Node.js, plus I will be also working on Django. That is also one of the important thing for me, and the front end would be React, and I will be working on API. So you can say that the actual story has already started, and I'm just enjoying all these new things, and a lot of brainstorming session I have to go through it. So at the end of the day, I can say that this is one React application. If I remove this, I come to the base application, which is also working fine, and I also have got another React application that is called user import. So simultaneously at this very moment in my hosting I have got two React applications running side by side, okay, and all that is happening with the help of HTTPS. So that's all from this video presentation. In my next video I will be working on the params. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.